Hi, I'm Yash. Welcome back to a new video. Today let's paint tree range in this part of this painting. For that we need a sky. Fair enough, we have the sky. And now let's come right over here and drop in the basic color of the trees over here. Grab new paint, change the color. And over here I want it to be pretty bright. So now let's come right over here and drop in some textures. I'm using the manipulated flat brush for this. Doing it very slowly and very gently. So now I'll take some lime yellow, touch of blue and some sap green, mostly blue, and some white. More of white, want it to be like mist, and some lime yellow. Okay, and now let's come right over here and drop in. Now I've loaded very thick paint. I've not added water. Just gonna drop it in. Just adjusting that color. Now I've switched over to a rigger brush and just go ahead and place in some of that. Look at that. Lighten up that color a bit and just gonna place it in right over there. So now let's continue that process over here. And let's come right over here and drop in more of that. Continue from where we left. Here I'm going pretty dense and darker. I'm using the manipulated flat brush over here too. Now let's continue the process of highlights. So let's come right with the barely touching the surface with a rigger brush. And make sure that each stroke or each dot touches another. Okay, fair enough. We'll have another one going right over there. Vertically. Trees grow in all directions, all shape, all size, different colors. Look at that, it's that easy. Still, I'm making sure that I leave some of that intact, some of the underpainting intact, and make them very irregular. I've not added water again. Let them grow in random shapes. The more random they are, the more realistic and natural it's going to look.